Sir, is it visible?
Yes.
Helium neon laser is a gas laser based on 4 laser system. It mainly consists of 3 parts, that is active medium, resonant cavity and electric pumping. In active medium, mixture of helium and neon gas are filled in the ratio of 10:1, which is 1 mm of Hg of helium and 0.1 mm of Hg of neon. In resonant cavity, 2 mirrors are placed. They both should be plane and one plane and other one is concave one. One is totally reflecting mirror and other one is partially transparent mirror. So how the resonant cavity works? Here, the active medium itself produces an light which produces photon, and those off-axis photons are lost, and those which are parallel, some are transmitted and some are reflected back. Here, spontaneous emission and stimulated emission both take place. In stimulated emission, the photons get double at every stage. In electric pumping, electricity is passed through this electrode to produce discharge in a tube. Uh, Due to passing of electricity, helium electrons get collide with helium and neon, and as helium is lighter and it's required less energy, it get excited to 2st and 2sa excitation state. Then the helium atom transmits energy to the neon atom, and neon get excited to 2s and 3s excitation state. Here this is due to resonance transfer energy. As helium transfers its energy to neon, but neon have a slightly more energy, it is around 0.05. This is because helium transfers its kinetic energy also to neon. 3s, these are the metastable state. At here atoms stop for a long time. Then the population inversion is achieved between 3s and 3p, 3s and 2p, 2s and 2p. Because 3s and 2s have more atoms than 3p and 2p. Then here some laser light are also transferred from 3s to 3p of wavelength 3.39 micrometer, from 3s to 2p of wavelength 632.8 nanometer, from 2s to 2p of wavelength 1.15 micrometer. Uh, then the spontaneous emission take place and 2p atoms comes to the 1s state. Uh, as neon atoms collide with the tube of container, then it loses its energy and comes to ground state, and the process gets continued. Thank you.
Nikita, you have sequenced the helium neon laser presentation very nicely. Very nice. Please present your screen once again. Nikita, are you there?
One second.
Yeah. Okay. Let me ask other people the positive points of this presentation.
Negative, sir.
No, no, negative नहीं. पहले positive. First you give good remarks and then criticize.
I can stop my one second.
Okay. Anybody? What do you like in this presentation? What was the good thing that you would like to take? Come on, जो बोलेगा उसको मार्क्स मिलेंगे. और कुछ?
Topic is performed nicely.
देखो मार्क्स बोला तो फटाफट आ गए हैं. Very good. Topic is perform. Perform means?
Explain.
Ah, it was prepared very nicely. It was explained very nicely. Any other?
The use of diagrams are very correctly used.
Yes, proper diagrams. Very nice. Any other?
Well prepared.
Very good.
Explained in simple language.
Yes, very good. Explain in very simple language. Anything else?
Covered all points.
Yeah, she has covered almost all points. One more thing you are missing, which always I criticize.
Explain without any interruption.
Yeah, but that is not, I mean, that is okay. At a first year level, even if you get interrupted, if you are reading, I will accept it.
To
But
the
she has
point.
done very nicely. Yeah.
To the point.
Yes, it was to the point. Or
Sir,
Explain with
looking
good
nice
attitude.
PPT.
Suyash, what you said?
Sir, PPT is looking very nice.
Yes, the presentation slides are very nice. Or
Explain with good attitude.
yes, or Nikita, go to next slide. ओके ओके, आपको ऐसा क्या लग रहा है कि जो प्रीवियस स्लाइड्स में नहीं था इस स्लाइड में है, या प्रीवियस स्लाइड में था इस स्लाइड में नहीं है? एंड दैट इज गुड. नहीं?
डायग्राम मेंशन है बस.
और ऐसी क्या चीज है जो मैं हमेशा क्रिटिसाइज करता हूँ? सब टॉपिक कैपेशन ह्यूमन कैप्शन.
लिख के सिर्फ रीड नहीं किया है.
Yes, that is very good. Moreover, she has not at all written anything on the slide. देखो, आप जब उसका प्रेजेंटेशन चल रहा था तो क्या आप पढ़ रहे थे क्या?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir. सुन रहे
Because
थे. No, sir.
because she didn't give any chance to read, because there are no text or very less text. और रेजोनेंट कैविटी वो पढ़ने के लिए तो आपको माइक्रोसेकंड मिलीसेकंड में वो हो जाता है, राइट? So that is the important thing, that she talk in terms of images. जब आप वीडियो बनाओगे तो यही याद रखना है आपको, कि talk about your project in terms of the images and not in terms of text. हाँ, टेक्स्ट जहाँ पे जरूरी है वहां पे जितना चाहिए उतना यूज किया है, that is okay. So that is very good thing. Okay. So now I invite questions. If you have any question. Or negative comments, critics, how she can improve. ये उसके भी मार्क्स है. नहीं? Okay. Nikita, go to next slide. Yeah. There are three lasing rays, which is 3.39 micrometer, 632.8 nanometer and 1.15 micrometer. 15 नहीं, हमेशा उसको कैसे रीड करेंगे? 1.15. Out of this, we get only 632.8 nanometer. How is it possible? Why this 3.39 and the other one 1.15 that doesn't come out?
Sir, because they are the infrared region and we can't see.
But that will come out. इंफ्रारेड भले हो, फिर भी वो तो आएंगे ना. तो उनको स्टॉप किया जाता है, नहीं किया जाता है?
स्टॉप किया जाता है।
कैसे?
कुछ तो भी ग्लास के ऊपर लगाते हैं।
Very good. Even you don't know what exactly it is, but you know that there is something like that. That is good. तो वो क्या होता है?
वो मैंने ढूंढा था मगर मिला नहीं मुझे।
Okay, you can search more and then you can just explain it in next class. Okay, everybody. ठीक है? So it's very good, Nikita. Keep it up. And your presentation was very nice. एक दो जगह fumble हो गया, but that's okay. At first year level, it's okay. Somewhere you said instead of level you said laser. That's it. इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. ठीक है? Quite good. Okay. Any other? और कोई presentation देना चाहता है?
Sir,
Yeah. Go ahead. और अब आप सब लोगों को पता है कि आपको क्या करना है. सिर्फ प्रेजेंटेशन सुनना नहीं है. You have to note down कि what are the good positive points, what are the points for improvement. Okay. Shreya, over to you.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, sir. So, laser. Laser is light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. So, laser is defined as a device that projects a highly concentrated narrow beam of light which is amplified to a greater brightness using a stimulated radiation. Here are some of the properties of laser. First, laser light contains only one wavelength, and this property is known as monochromatic, meaning one color. Second, uh, laser emit light that is highly direction. They emit light in a narrow beam in a specific direction. All wavelengths are in phase, meaning that they wave together in space and time, and this property is known as coherency. Fourth, laser light travel in same direction parallel to each other. This makes laser beam very narrow and concentrated on one spot. This property is known as collimation. Fifth, laser radiations has high brightness because they are emitted as a narrow beam with small divergence. Laser light does not spread or diverge but stays together in a beam. Laser radiation has both spatial and temporal coherence, characterized by coherent length and coherent time. Here are some of the applications of laser. The three properties of laser, that is monochromatic, coherence, and collimation, produces a small focus point of intense power, and this focus point makes laser light useful for cutting and welding. Laser is also used for eye surgeries. It is also used for printing, and lasers are used to destroy the kidney stones. Lasers are used in cosmetic to remove for the removal of acne and hair. Thank you.
Okay. Keep your presentation open, Shreya.
Okay, sir.
So what you like in this presentation first? Positive points.
Sir, self-confidence.
Good. She was quite confident. Yes. Other points? No?
Sir, explaining with photos.
क्या कहा प्रफुल?
Sir, explaining with photos.
Yeah,
all the points.
yeah. So she has used the images very properly, and she has kept these images very right places. Like if she is talking about say monochromatic, then the image of monochromatic, and collimation, then image of collimation, and so on. Okay. Any other?
She has covered almost every point in properties of laser.
Yes. Even it is not the part of syllabus, the spatial and temporal coherence. So she has covered that one also, along with the image. Of course, that you will learn when you go to industry. Okay. Anything else?
Speed of talking is good.
Okay.
Not so
So
much fast, not so much slow.
very good. Good observation. She was quite at ease while speaking while presenting. Okay. Next. Finish. Okay. Now start. What what you will suggest how she can improve it. If you
Photos
want,
की alignment.
then you can ask her to show the slide number 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it may be. Yeah, Bhavesh.
सर अलाइनमेंट थोड़ी सर ऐसी बराबर नहीं लगी फोटोज की, जैसे ये स्लाइड में सेंटर्ड नहीं लग रही तीनों, उस मैंने वो नजर में आ रहा थोड़ा सा इसलिए.
ओके.
और जो बुलेट पॉइंट्स है, जो 1 के नीचे से सर वो लाइन चालू हो रही नेक्स्ट वाली, वो भी सर थोड़ा सा नजर में आ रहा है.
बिल्कुल. Bhavesh, you have very good eyes. So normally people miss it, but this is very important. Whenever you write text, then it should be attractive. So that is the first thing, that it should be attractive. Okay. Next. Any other? So the same thing I will tell you, that whenever you will prepare for the video, remember the ABC. What is ABC? I already told. A is attractive. It should be attractive. डल एडवर्टाइज आपने देखी है कभी? एडवर्टाइज देख के बोर लगने लगा है, ऐसा कुछ होता है कभी? छोटे बच्चों को देखो आप, वो एडवर्टाइज ही देखते हैं, वो सीरियल छोड़ दो आप, एडवर्टाइज में उनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मजा आता है. इवन दो दे आर वॉचिंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन, but still they feel like, oh, this is attractive, this is interesting. Okay. Second, brief. It should not be too long, it should not be too short. Okay, brief. And the third, C for clear. So she has explained very nicely: attractive, brief, and clear. So all these three, A, B, C, are covered. But how she can improve now? So Bhavesh has also already told about the typos or the alignments. Typo तो नहीं है. Any other? Chirayu? Chirayu, are you there? नहीं? Nikita? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Parikshit? Both 25 and 26. What are your comments? How she can improve?
Sir, highlighting the important points.
Quite good. Highlight कर सकते हैं. Okay. और और
Sir, she can reduce the written part and explain more.
ये कौन बोल रहा है? अभी किसने किसने बोला?
Sir, मैंने.
सुयश, very nice,
Yes, sir.
very nice, very nice, very nice. She can remove the unnecessary text. अब बताओ मुझे एक एग्जांपल लेके बताओ कि applications number 1 what she should write.
Only that properties 3.
Yeah, only 3 properties are enough, and a small focus point of intense power. So even if you don't write Shreya, if you don't write monochromatic coherence and collimation, you can just write small focus point of intense power. That's it. And then show these pictures, cutting, welding. Okay. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आप पिक्चर दिखा रहे हैं तो उस टाइम पे वो दूसरा ही पिक्चर देख रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं 4 नंबर का पिक्चर देख रहा हूँ और मेरे दिमाग में आप बोल रहे हैं कि कटिंग एंड वेल्डिंग. ओके, इट्स फनी. So that is something like cosmetic treatment, and I am listening to cutting and welding. Are you getting my point? So use more
sir.
slides, doesn't matter. आप एक स्लाइड पे एक ही इमेज डालेंगे तो चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. आपको करना क्या है, कनेक्शन होना चाहिए वो वर्ड्स और आपका पिक्चर. ठीक है. So even in case of the properties, you can use only images, doesn't matter. Go to previous slide. Yeah, here. So you can just show monochromatic. Only one word is enough. In second, highly directional. That is enough. The third, in phase or coherence. The remaining thing you can tell orally. तो उतना स्पेस बचेगा तो वो डायग्राम भी आपकी, मतलब एक पेज पे आप 6 भी डायग्राम दे सकते हो. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, बट डोंट शो ऑल द 6 एट अ टाइम. Show first and then second and then third and then fourth and fifth and sixth. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
तो स्टीव जॉब का प्रेजेंटेशन अगर आप देखेंगे ना तो फिर आपको पता चलेगा कि अरे हाँ ये कर सकते हैं. देखा है आप लोगों ने? मैं लिंक दिया था आपको. एवरी कंप्यूटर स्टूडेंट मस्ट वॉच दिस अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन. स्टीव जॉब ने उसको प्रेजेंटेशन बनाने के लिए शायद 2-3 महीने लगाए होंगे. बनाने के लिए नहीं, रिहर्स करने के लिए. ठीक है. Okay. Any other points? Parikshit Satyabhane says, I have nothing to say. No, you should be able to point out good things and also points to improvement. Okay, points to improve. Okay. Any other person who want to present?
Sir,
Yeah.
can I present it tomorrow? It takes almost 6 to 7 minutes, not more than that.
Yeah, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is PPT necessary?
No. No. You can just tell orally. But if you are talking orally, then you will have to open the camera.
सर इसमें मार्क कितने प्रेजेंटेशन पे?
मार्क्स के बारे में मत सोचो भाई. This is a question of your career. This is a question of your career. अभी मैं बात कर रहा था सेकंड ईयर या थर्ड ईयर मैकेनिकल स्टूडेंट से. तो वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट प्रेजेंटेड हिज प्रोजेक्ट yesterday or day before yesterday. So the given time was 3 minutes and he took almost 20 minutes and then he said, sir, I have 2 more slides. So that should not happen. So this is a practice. यहाँ पे आप जितनी गलतियां करना चाहते हैं कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Don't worry about the marks. If you are thinking about marks, then you are not thinking about the quality. ठीक है, तो just remove this from your mind. ठीक है, computer engineer should not think about the marks, he should not think about the uh, deadlines. ठीक है, ठीक मतलब डेडलाइन आगे चले जाएगी फिर मैं करूंगा, नेवर नेवर, डेडलाइन के पहले करना। ठीक है, ये थोड़ा थोड़ा धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, कोई बात नहीं। और कोई प्रेजेंट करना चाहता है? नहीं?
Yes, sir.
या गो अहेड। 52. So by today evening, I will share one Google form. Those who will who have already completed their presentation, they have to fill up the form and they will just put their topic name. And if you have used the presentation, then you have to upload the presentation file. If you have not used the presentation, that's okay. You can just say your presentation was oral presentation. Go ahead,
Sir,
Suresh.
can I?
You can. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, my topic is application of laser. So, lasers are having many application in various field, like in medical field, in communication, in army, in space and technology, and also in industries. So, firstly, use of laser in medical field. So, laser are used for treatment of various diseases, like for treatment of cancer, then for removing tumors from our body, from various body organs or body parts, and for destroying kidney stones, then for removing appendix at the which is present at the last part of our large intestine, and also dentists use it for removing cavity from their tooth, from our tooth. And now use of laser in communication. So while doing communication, space communication through radars and satellites, for sending data and data or signals, laser is used. And now use of laser in military. So generally, in army, laser is used for detecting distance from their initial point to the point where enemy is spotted for killing them. Generally, snipers use it because as distance increases, they have to kill their sniper or move their sniper. So because if the object means or enemy is moving, so they have to shoot in front of him. And if it is at rest, so they are, and distance is so much, so they have to shoot somewhat above. And now the use of laser in space and technology. So laser are used for printing through printers and xerox machine. And now at last, use of laser in industries. So laser are used uh, laser are used for cutting metals, then welding, and also in barcode readers. Thank you, sir.
Nice. Let me ask your classmates positive things and then we'll go for improvements. Nothing?
Sir, he was confident while speaking, and he has good courage to maintain the speed of the talking. He was not nervous while speaking, and he presented good and cover all the points. But one small downside, but he will cover it, that some details are missing, but he cover it very good.
Quite good. Balance review, Vishnu. Anybody else?
सर एक वो
हाँ
कि वो इम्प्रूव कर सकता है सर, कैमरा कहीं रख के रख कर सकता है। उसने प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छा दिया, इट वाज क्वाइट वेरी appreciable. He was confident and the level of information given was correct and accurate, मतलब short and sweet type. But only thing he can improve is if he kept his camera on a like a plain surface where it is steady. That will be really appreciable.
right. That is the basic thing, that when the camera is moving, then it's very difficult for the people to concentrate on your presentation. And that is the same thing why I'm taking this criticism and the positive point, because this will be very useful. No, these will be very useful for you to create a best video. Okay? I'm sure that you will have to create at least 10 or 15 versions of the same video, because I'm going to review it again and again. Okay? And of course, you will be also reviewing it. Okay, that is very good. Anything else? Anybody want to suggest something? No? Okay. Normally, when you present anything, so it is better to focus on one point rather than covering maximum points. So that is okay. With if you are talking about, say, lasers are used in almost every field, and they don't need to tell that it is in this or this or this or this. Now we'll focus on this and go into the depth. Now, why that laser is used in that particular application? Always remember, if your presentation contains the um, answer to the why question, then it is interesting. Otherwise, it is just information that everybody knows. Are you getting my point? It is not for only Suyesh. It is for everyone. Unless it is something interesting, right? Otherwise,
Yes,
it
sir.
is something that, yeah, it is something that okay, he has just told the same thing. So old wine in new bottle. What is special? What is special, right? तो मान लो कि आप घर पे जो खाना खाते हैं वही आप होटल में जाके खाते हैं कि नहीं? दाल चावल और क्या, दाल फ्राई और जीरा राइस, और आप घर पे भी बना सकते हैं. Why that is special in hotel? That is important. हाँ चंचल.
वहाँ का टेस्ट.
Yes, this is a foodie. So that is very important कि आपके प्रेजेंटेशन में वो टेस्ट आ रहा है क्या, आपका टेस्ट है क्या उसमें, आपके हाथ का टेस्ट है क्या. आप देखो कि सेम चीज मैक्सिमम लोग बताते हैं. अब ये तो स्पिरिचुअल गुरुज वगैरह जो हो गए, तो वो वही चीज बता रहे हैं, एक ही चीज बता रहे हैं अलग अलग तरीके से. लेकिन कुछ लोगों का ऐसा लगता है कि अरे ये सुनते रहे, भले वो स्टोरी हमें पता है. आप देखो महाभारत देखो, रामायण देखो, इसके पार्ट होते हैं, क्यों लोग सुनते हैं? वो तो पता ही है इन सबको. यस, परीक्षित हैज पिन पॉइंटेड इट, मसाला. तो मसाला इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. It doesn't matter whether it is food or even in movie or in uh, web series, presentation, everywhere. Right? Don't overdo it, but you need it. ठीक है? So I'm sure that I'm not taking too much time to criticize or to appreciate, but this is what I'm sure that nobody else will get time to explain you. ये छोटे छोटे चीजें जो है वो शायद ही कोई बता पाएगा आपको, इतना टाइम ही नहीं रहेगा प्रेजेंटेशन सुनने के लिए. आई एम टेकिंग मोर टाइम, नो प्रॉब्लम. फर्स्ट ईयर है, आप उसको जितना इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हो उतना करो, ठीक। एनीथिंग एल्स? नहीं? Okay. Anybody else who want to present?
Sir, I want to present.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am visible.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Sir, I want to discuss some about Ruby laser. So, in Ruby laser, Ruby crystal is formed into a cylinder. One end of the cylinder is placed with the fully reflecting mirror, and another end of the cylinder is placed with a partially reflecting mirror. Sir, a Ruby laser is a solid state laser that uses a synthetic Ruby crystal as a skin medium. Also, Ruby laser produces pulses of coherent visible wavelength, which is of I think 694.3 nanometer, which is a deep red color. And as you know, some application like it is used in a it is used for medical purpose, like it is used to for kidney purpose or acne or something, skin care वगैरह. Thank you, sir. Actually, I am not prepared for that. जितना दिमाग में हमने बता दिया.
नहीं, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। जब आप प्रिपेयर नहीं होते ना, तब आप सबसे अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन देते हैं, इफ यू डोंट नो। जब आपकी तबीयत सबसे खराब होती है, तब आपका परफॉर्मेंस सबसे अच्छा होता है, ये याद रखना, ठीक है।
Thank you.
So he has taken short time and explain about Ruby laser, but again I will tell you something like, for example, why we use the synthetic Ruby and not the natural Ruby. Gunjan is there? Gunjan, आपके क्लास में है? हाँ, हाँ। So she has found out, maybe 5-6 different reasons why we are using the synthetic Ruby and not natural Ruby. Gunjan, please go ahead.
For which answer should I tell?
You can go for all answers.
Okay, sir. As natural Ruby take much time to form, and it is formed inside the earth surface. Whether as you tell, sir, that for making a synthetic Ruby, government takes all expensive, but it all sold at a high price if we take a natural Ruby instead of a synthetic one. So this is one, and another answer is as you said that when the percent of chromium changes, the energy level also changes. So if you want specific energy difference as in metastable and the ground state, then we can engineer the level, also called the band gap engineering, in solid state. So that is why we use the less percent of chromium than in natural Ruby.
Right. In natural Ruby, the energy level is at much higher level as compared to the this synthetic Ruby. So what we do is we reduce the percentage of chromium. In natural Ruby, it is having more percentage, and therefore it is much reddish as compared to the synthetic Ruby. Okay. Secondly, it is very easy to grow the crystal if you want to grow it, but it is really difficult to cut and polish the natural crystals. Okay. Because there may be some grains. Grains मतलब ये नहीं, खाने वाले grains नहीं. Grains मतलब it is kind of defect. Okay. आप लोगों ने पढ़े है क्या? Point defect, line defect? शायद नहीं पढ़े होंगे. तो मटेरियल साइंस में ये आता है. हाँ, कहीं तो भी आया होगा, केमिस्ट्री में आया होगा. तो दैट इज नॉट प्रॉपर. मतलब अगर आपको क्रिस्टल चाहिए तो इट शुड बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर, और कहीं पे भी उसकी डेंसिटी कम ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. यस, सॉलिड स्टेट में पढ़ा था. वेरी गुड. इट शुड बी यूनिफॉर्म. वेरी राइटली सेड बाय परीक्षित. So that is how we can have it in synthetic, not in the natural. and therefore in most of the cases, we use the synthetic materials rather than the natural materials. Okay? That is one reason. And secondly, the energy levels. So we can design the energy levels. It is quite less in solid state, but it is very popular in say the semiconductor laser. So in semiconductor laser you have this band gap. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा बैंड गैप होता है. So this band gap can be reduced or it can be increased depending upon the percentage of the doping. Are you getting my point? Yes, no. जैसे आप खिचड़ी में हल्दी डालेंगे, अगर कम डालते हैं तो वो खिचड़ी का कलर जो है वो थोड़ा सा कम येलो होता है. मीडियम डालते हैं तो और थोड़ा ब्राइट येलो हो जाएगा. कुछ ज्यादा ही डाल देते हैं तो देन इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक खिचड़ी में हल्दी डालेगी, हल्दी में खिचड़ी डालेगी. ठीक है. So that is how you can change the property of the material using this doping and doping percentage. And that's why mostly we use the synthetic materials. हम उसको prepare करते हैं material को. Even all the electronic equipments, all, कोई एक भी ऐसा नहीं है कि जिसमें doping नहीं है. और all of them are prepared by the synthetic different methods. बहुत सारी methods है. तो आप इसको लिक्विड बना के फिर उसको सॉलिडिफाई करो और वेपर बना के फिर उसको सॉलिड बनाओ वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. ठीक है. सो दैट इज बेसिक रीजन. सेकेंडली रूबी लेजर में और एक पॉइंट था, फ्लैश लैम्प क्यों यूज करते हैं? व्हाई वी डोंट यूज द कंटिन्यूअस लैम्प? मृदुला इसी क्लास में है? नहीं. No, she is from electrical, I suppose. Anybody? Yes, Ashwini is saying very rightly. Natural ruby contains tiny bubbles which affect the path of light, and therefore we cannot get the, what you can say, the high intense beam of the laser. We can get only small part of it. So that's why we don't use these crystals which are naturally occurring, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ ना कुछ तो डिफेक्ट रहेंगे. ठीक है. Okay. Any comment about Sohel's presentation? शायद आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि मैं क्यों आपसे कमेंट मांगता हूँ. मैं भी कर सकता हूँ ना, बट यू शुड हैव दैट हैबिट. आपकी हैबिट बन जाती है कि हाँ ये प्रेजेंटेशन में ये अच्छा है तो ये मुझे भी कॉपी करना पड़ेगा, ये अच्छा नहीं था, आई हैव टू अवॉइड इट. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम स्ट्रेसिंग यू टू थिंक अबाउट द प्रेजेंटेशन कि इसने ये अच्छा किया था, इसने ये अच्छा किया था, लेट मी टेक इट. ठीक है. Okay. Any other
Yes, sir.
person who want to present?
Sir, I want to talk about helium neon laser.
Yes, go ahead, Sakshi. Sakshi, you are not audible.
Oh, sorry, I turn off my.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
Good morning, sir. Helium neon laser is the gas laser based on 4-level laser system. It was constructed by Ali Jawan and his co-workers at Bell Laboratories in 1961. The active medium used in this laser is a mixture of helium and neon in a ratio 10:1, placed inside a long narrow discharge tube. The pressure inside the tube is about 1 mm of Hg. Neon plays a role of active medium. The gas system is enclosed between a pair of plane mirrors or a set of concave mirror. so that a resonance cavity is formed for electrical pumping. Electrodes are provided to produce a discharge in the gas, and they are connected to a high voltage power supply. A high voltage power supply provides current to the system. Thank you, sir.
Very nice. You were already prepared, or you just wanted to share it just like that?
No, sir, I am not prepared PPT.
Okay, quite good. आपने जो बोला वो you wanted to share something and then you explain it. But again, the point is that rather than going for general information, focus on only small point. कोई भी एक small point ले लो, उस पे focus करो और उसके बारे में बोलो. Any other? No one? Okay, we have almost 3 to 4 minutes more. So if you have anything to talk about, प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में अगर कुछ बोलना है तो आप बोल सकते हैं. ऐसा कोई है जिसने अभी तक प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में कोई डिटेल्स दिए ही नहीं? जस्ट रेज योर हैंड. Isha, what is your project? Payal, Atharva, why you have not contacted me? If you are having any difficulty, please talk to me. Talk to me, मतलब इस पे टेलीग्राम पे. You can send audio message also in Hindi, English, Marathi, anything is okay.
सर मेरे को डाउट था उसमें मतलब कुछ इश्यू आ रहा है प्रोजेक्ट में.
हाँ बोलो.
सर उसमें